Good day. Today we'll be talking about ecosystem in native map. This is assignment 6, module code BPT1501. And thank you for having me here. I'm excited to present to you a map that showcases a diverse range of geographical features. This map includes forest, grassland, and a river, providing a unique opportunity to explore the relationships between these different ecosystems. Today I'll be walking you through the features and real world applications of this map. Okay, first, I would like to explain the word map. A map is a visual representation of an area showcasing geographical features, boundaries, and relationships between different elements. Map can be physical, digital, or combination of both, and they provide a powerful tool for navigation, research, and decision making. In the context of our presentation, the map displays a range of geographical features, including forest, grass, and river. A forest here, and a grass here. Here is a grass. This part is the grass, and a river that flows from southeast to the northwest. Okay. We have features and functionalities. The map displays several key of features, including forest. This part here represents a forest. Okay, forest, grassland. Here is a grassland, and a river flow. Like I said, the river flows from southeast to the northwest. And again, forests represent areas of dense tree cover, and grassland represents areas of grass and other habitats vegetation, and a river represents a flowing body of water that shapes the surrounding landscape. Okay, so we have key features of the map. We have deforestation, river flows, and grassland distribution. Deforestation has the permanent distribution of forests, usually as a result of human activity like agriculture, urbanization, or logging. When we talk about deforestation, we are discussing the clearance of forests leading to loss of biodiversity, soil erosion, and changes in climate. Deforestation has several environmental and social impacts, including loss of habitats for many species, increased greenhouse gases emissions, and negative effects of local communities. And then we have a river flow. This is a river flow. A river flow is a natural flowing body of water that shapes in a surrounding landscape, like I said on features and functions of this map. River flows refers to the movement of water within a water influenced by factors like precipitations, topography, and human activities. On the map, a river can be represented by simple colors or lines indicating the direction and speed in the water. On this map, this color here represents the river. This color here represents a river. Understanding river flow is crucial for managing water resources, predicting floods, and maintaining healthy aquatic ecosystem. Okay, river flow on the map. On this map, the river flow is depicted as a flowing body of water that traverses the landscape. The river path and flow can be observed, highlighting its impact of the surrounding environment. By analyzing the river flow, we can identify areas of high conservation value, predict potential flood zone, and development strategies to protect riverine ecosystem. And again, we have a grassland distribution. Okay, grassland are areas dominated by grasses and other herbaceous vegetation. On our map, grassland distribution can be observed in relation to other geographical features like forests and rivers. Understanding grassland distribution is essential for managing land use, conserving biodiversity, and promoting sustainable agriculture practices. By analyzing the map, we can identify areas of high conservation value and develop strategies to protect this ecosystem. And again, we have a real world application. This map has the numerous real world applications, including monitoring. Environmental monitoring tracking deforestation and degradation and changes in a river flow. And again, we have conservation planning, identifying areas of a high conservation value and developing strategies to protect them. And again, we have a land use management, understanding the relationships between different land uses such as agriculture, urbanizations, and conservations. And again, we have a real world example. A real world example, some example of how this map can be used in a real world. It's including monitoring the impact of climate change on forest ecosystem. Here on a forest ecosystem. Okay, and then we have identifying areas of risk of soil erosion due to deforestation or a land degradation here, this part. Okay, and then we have developing strategies to protect riverine ecosystem and communities that depend on them here. Okay, and then again we have come to the part of our conclusion to my representation. In conclusion, this map provides a valuable tool for understanding the relationships between different geographical features and ecosystem. Its features and functionalities make it an inavailable resources for environmental monitoring, conservation planning, and land use management. The map's real-world applications are vast and varied, and it has the potential to make a significant impact in various fields. Thank you for your attention, and I hope this presentation has given you a better understanding of the map capabilities. Thank you.